Alright guys, so here I'm back with my first Python project. I'm doing kind of a review. I already know Python, but this is just kind of like a review. So let's get started. It's a weight converter program, so it works with you inputting the weight and then you putting in L or K for if the weight is LB or kg, and it gives you a kilos. So we need an if statement, two variables for the weight and then if it's L or K, and then we use that to determine which order we go to. So it's going to be like this. Okay, we start off with our weight, which I'll do this, and then it's going to be an integer, right? Because our weight is a number, and input is always gives us a string, and it's just going to be weight. Simple stuff. For lbs or kgs, I'm just going to make it a unit, and this is going to stay an input because we want it to be an input, and then lbs or kgs. Okay, then we're gonna do this. There we go. So now we put in our if statement. So it's gonna be if unit, right? And then again, this is not a case sensitive, so that means that it doesn't matter what you put in. Like if you put in L uppercase or L lowercase, it will still give you the right answer. So we're just gonna make this both of them upper, so that no matter which one it gets, if it gets a lowercase or even an uppercase, it converts that into uppercase. So that way everything has the same strings. And then this is gonna be equal to L uppercase because we have it in uppercase. And then we're just gonna go ahead and print the weight and times 0.45 because that's how much it is converted, like a conversion. Then what we need to do is then we do an elif. Okay, then we do an elif of unit dot upper, and then we do an equals to k for our kilograms, and then we just go ahead and print, and I accidentally ran this. Okay, so then we go ahead and print that, which is going to be weight times so 2.2. 2.2. All right. So, and then what we're going to do is otherwise, and keep accidentally running it. Then otherwise, if it's not any of these, we're just going to say did not get it. Try again. That's it. That's how simple this program is. So if we run this, weight, let's say 160 in pounds, and there you go. Exactly the same thing like this. And then we can also give it, put it in a formatted thing. So like how he has it, so like a formatted string of like this, and then kilos. This way it just makes it a little bit more clear to the user of, what the hell's going on. So that's just F. And then you put this in braces for your expression that's not a string, and it'll convert into string for you. And then pounds. So let's try this again, and this time we'll use pounds. So we'll do 60. This time we'll make the roles reverse. So we'll do 72, and this is going to be our kilograms. And as you can see, it gives us 158.4 pounds. And it's around 160. I can just make this times 2 if I want to, right? It's just not that accurate, but that's fine. So that way we'll get exactly, right? So yeah. Again, it's not going to be the most accurate because it is like, I should keep it 2.2. Sorry, I don't know why I put it 2. But it's not going to be the most accurate or accurate. And that's really just because of the fact that look at how long the number is actually in the conversion, right? It's pretty darn long. So yeah, but that is it. That's how simple it is. And then over here at the start, I'm just going to add like a print statement saying, welcome to weight converter. And that's going to happen regardless of anything, right? Because we want that to happen even if we don't get anything, right? So I'm not sure why it didn't come up. We'll see. 500. If I put something like this, okay, it comes up after. That's not. Oh yeah, now I understand why. That's because in Python everything's run line by line. So if I put this at the top, Now look at this. See, now it starts from the top because in Python, like everything's run line by line. So it's going to start off by running this, then it's going to run this, then it's going to run this, then it's going to run this line by line, which is really good actually. So 600 will do pounds, and it gives us it in kilos. So there you go. So you get that nice little welcome message, and you learned how Python code is executed.